Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import invoice data to Zoho Books. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're migrating from another system or need to bulk upload multiple invoices at once, saving you hours of manual data entry. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your business account where you want the invoices imported. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Take a look at the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your business finances. Locate and click on the option named Sales. This will expand a menu with several choices related to sales management. From this expanded menu, click on Invoices. This section is where all your invoice-related activities are managed, and it's the gateway to importing your invoice data. You'll now be directed to the Invoices menu. From this page, look for and click on Import Invoices. This button takes you to the Import interface where you can upload your invoice files directly into Zoho Books. Once you're on the Import Invoice page, you'll see a drag and drop section. Click on Choose File to upload an invoice file from your local computer. Keep in mind that Zoho Books only accepts specific file types, CSV, TSV, or XLS, so make sure your file is in one of these formats before uploading. After your file is uploaded, you'll see another option asking you to pick a delimiter, either comma or semicolon. Select the one that matches the delimiter used in your uploaded file, then click Next. You'll now be directed to the mapping page. This is where Zoho Books attempts to match the fields from your uploaded file with its existing invoice fields. Review each field carefully and use the drop-down menu to manually select the correct match for each column. This step ensures that your data ends up in the right place within Zoho Books. Once all the fields are properly matched, click Next. Finally, you'll arrive at the preview screen. Here, Zoho Books displays how your import will look before it's finalized. You'll see any unmapped fields and skipped records listed out. Review these carefully. Some fields may simply be left blank in your original invoice, which is perfectly fine. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Import button at the bottom of the page and your import process will begin. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.